Can you imagine a Galaxy Ultra phone without the built-in S Pen slot? That might be exactly what Samsung is planning for its upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, according to some recent leaks. It's a surprising change, especially since the built-in stylus has been a key part of the Ultra models since the Galaxy S21 Ultra. For many users, it's become part of what makes the Ultra lineup stand out, having that small pen tucked neatly inside the phone, always ready to go. But now, it seems like Samsung could be rethinking that design in a big way. So why would Samsung make such a move? The main reason appears to be battery life. Despite all the upgrades in speed, performance, and efficiency over the past few years, the Ultra models have stuck with the same 5,000 mAh battery. While that's a solid size, some users feel it's not quite enough to match the power of the device. To finally meet those demands for longer battery life, Samsung may be considering removing the S Pen slot altogether. By freeing up that space, the company could possibly bump the battery up to 7,000 mAh, a major jump that would be welcomed by heavy users, especially if combined with more advanced battery tech like silicon carbon cells. Of course, removing the built-in slot raises another question. Where would the S Pen go? Samsung might take a page out of Apple's book by using magnets to attach the stylus to the side of the phone. This is something Apple already does with the iPad Pro, and it's proven to be quite convenient. With the right placement, the S Pen could even charge wirelessly while it's magnetically attached, which would offer a decent balance between usability and design. The leak about this possible change came from a tipster named Panda Flash Pro, who's been accurate in the past with Samsung-related information. Along with news about the S Pen slot, the same source mentioned a few other changes in the S26 Ultra. The phone is likely to keep its punch-hole camera on the front, but with even slimmer bezels for a cleaner, more modern display. Another rumor points to the removal of one of the two telephoto lenses. While this might sound like a step backward, it could actually be a smart move as Samsung is switching to a more advanced variable aperture main camera that can handle different zoom levels without needing extra hardware. On the inside, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, a special version of Qualcomm's latest chip, fine-tuned for Samsung's high-end devices. Other models in the S26 series might run on Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chip, though markets like the United States, China, and Canada will likely stick with the Snapdragon versions across the entire lineup. If these leaks are true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could mark a shift in Samsung's priorities. Instead of focusing on keeping the stylus inside the phone, the company might be putting longer battery life at the top of the list. This won't please everyone. Some users love the built-in S Pen and how easy it is to use. But for others, having a phone that lasts much longer on a single charge might be worth the trade-off. Still, it's important to remember that all of this is based on leaks and rumors. Samsung hasn't made anything official yet, so things could still change. But the idea of a Galaxy Ultra phone without a built-in S Pen, that's big. And it shows that Samsung might be willing to take bold steps to keep things fresh. What are your thoughts on this? Would you be okay with losing the built-in S Pen if it meant getting a much bigger battery? Share your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.